Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into something truly mesmerizing, the all-new Emigel Black Magic Cat Eye Collection. A lineup of 12 stunning glittery black magic shades that give you that luxurious magnetic effect in seconds. Now let's quickly see how to achieve this effect. Start with your base coat and cure it. Next, apply a generous layer of your favorite cat eye shade. Now comes the magic. Take your cat eye magnet and hold it close to the nail. Move it around to create the magnetic effect of your choice, whether it's a straight line, diagonal, or a halo effect. Once you're happy with the design, cure it. Finally, seal everything with an Emigel top coat for a glossy, long-lasting finish. Just look at these shades. Each one has a unique depth, shimmer, and that signature cat eye glow that moves beautifully with the light. Perfect for both bold looks and elegant designs. So tell me, which shade are you picking? Have you tried these beautiful cat eye nails yet? If not, it's time to get that salon-like finish right at home with these stunning new launches. Check out the full collection now on emigel.in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more nail art inspiration. See you in the next video.